You need to watch this if you're tired of your dashcam letting you down in your GMC Acadia. From blank screens to missing recordings, we'll help you get it sorted, fast. Let's tackle the most common dashcam issues in your GMC Acadia. First, check if the dashcam is getting power. Make sure the power cable is firmly plugged in and your car's accessory outlet is working. Still nothing? Try swapping to another outlet or use a different charging cable. Next, look at the memory card. A full or corrupted SD card can cause the dashcam to shut off or stop recording. Remove the card, then reinsert it, or better yet, replace it with a new one. Always format a new card in the dashcam before use. If the dashcam freezes or the screen goes blank, hold down the reset button, usually on the side, for 10 seconds. This often brings it back to life. Last, double-check your car's fuse box if nothing works. A blown fuse could be the culprit. If you've tried these steps and your dashcam's still dead, it might be time to consult a pro. But most problems are quick fixes, so don't stress. Hit like if this helped, and drive safe.